Modded lobby here. Hopefully you patch it today because I can't fucking deal with this bullshit. Look at this. I don't fucking want to run. Okay, I just knocked the shit out of that guy. Look, yeah, I can't. I'm not playing with two hands because I'll fucking kick his ass. Holy crap. Holy fucking crap. Holy shit, how can people play like this? This guy has no life. Yeah, I just used the RPG on two motherfuckers. Where did this guy go? What a dumbass. No, stop lying to yourself. So you did not get a nuke. Nothing. Yeah, get raped, motherfucker. This is like the longest match in history of free-for-allness. Oh my god, this is impossible. Headshot with the RPD. Oh my god, come here, you little prick. Whoa, 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 whoa. God fucking damn it. Let's see, he copied. Oh, triple kill, because you're the fucker that's doing this. So you got a triple kill, you piece of shit. Look at all these people, and they're getting fucking kill in one. Wow, real noob right there. He just used a fucking noob tuber. What the hell just happened? Let's watch this. Wow, that's fucking bullshit. That was nowhere near my fucking head. Fucking cheap ass fucking shit. The people that suck at the game that have to fucking fuck it up for everyone else. Wow, did you just knife? Look at this, people, what the fuck is this? What the hell just happened there? He didn't even touch me. Well, I'll get raped in fucking mid-combat. reaction. Let's watch this fucking little faggot that probably did that shit. I'm gonna rat on these fuckers. Hey, who hacked this shit, man? Who hacked this? Hey, shut your fucking mouth, faggot.
Hey, I wonder if you could get Pathfinder with Marathon Pro or something for just like sprinting around downtown.
Who the fuck's using that fucking hack shit, the JTAG mod, this shit? Why is it fucking up like this? Yeah, everyone just shuts the fuck up now. You guys are fucking garbage.